Well, there's birds everywhere.
God, there's more.
They're after the chips that are on Logan.
Hey, look at that one right there.
That one wants it so bad.
That one's mean. Fights off the other ones. What should we call them? Let's name them.
I don't know.
Well, that one will be Peter.
Peter. Pete.
Pete.
Good.
Look at him. Look at him. He's pissed. You can tell. Look at him. He's whispering something. They're planning
gonna
something.
give up?
Look at them all around us.
No.
They're going to come over here and peck my eyes out of my head.
Oh God, here he comes.
Hey there, Pete.
Oh.
Ah!
Just stop. Just stop.
Oh, hey.
Logan's toes are right there. Oh my God. Let's see if he gets the
Come
other
here,
one.
get this cracker from my nip. Please. The bug got in my ear. It's eating my brain.
Earwig.
No, I don't have hairy ears.
I didn't get it for a second. It took me a minute.
No, we didn't get. Ah!
Oh. Are they done?
No, Pete's still here.
Well, I'm gonna end the video. It's gonna be a short one.
Okay, we'll be back.
Later on. Bye bye.
I'm dead.